Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can check Chase Bank routing number. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So first of all, open up any preferred browser on your PC, search for Chase Bank, go over to its official website and make sure you are logged in over there. After that, you will be redirected to the main homepage of the website. Now log in on a PC if you want to check it on a PC, but if you want to check it on the mobile app, open up the mobile app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in. And after that, find your routing number by choosing your account title, then choose show details. Your bank routing number will be displayed. You can check it online by signing in the chase.com and choosing the last 4 digits of the number that appears above your account information. You can then choose see full account number next to your account name and a box will open up to display your bank routing number. That's how you can check Chase routing number. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.